My name is I'm half Somali and half Filipino. I've been playing basketball since I was a kid, but I didn't put myself out there till a bit later. Basically, my dad, he's just the reason why I like basketball, to be honest. I'm pretty sure he played for the Tigers, but that was short-lived, just because, like, growing up, he didn't have, like, parents to take him around, so he kind of just had to stop doing it. And he had me at a young age, so he just had to look after me. It was cool just to have someone to look up to. I just tried to take after him. Yeah, that was an interesting experience. We had a pretty young team. Like, I was one of the older guys, so it was a bit tricky. But it was like the first time we all played together. We didn't win, but we had one good game against our Polynesia team. We almost beat them. Everyone thought we were gonna get pumped, but we brought some energy and we almost won. This time, you know, like, we played with each other now, so it'll be interesting. You never know. We just have to show up, show out. That's it. You know, we're pretty skillful, so we've got to use that to our advantage. That's all.